Hey guys, Blair Nightingale here, giving you the TRADEway keys to transformation. We just give you one simple key to transformation that you can apply to any area of your lives. Remember, we keep it simple, it's powerful, and here it is today. Try something new, right? Seems obvious. Routine can be important. It gives us consistency, productivity, it gives us results, so there's a key there, but we want to understand at the same time that we balance by bringing in things that are new. Try something new. Try a new experience. Listen to a new song. Take a new route home. Go shop at a new grocery store. Do that thing you've always wanted to do. Learn something. Read something. Watch a new video. Pick a topic. Do a Bible study you've never done before. Go completely outside of what you normally do, and I guarantee you will find some energy that moves you. And guess what? That energy is not going to stay in that area. It's going to spill over into other areas. And if you start to see the dominoes fall, you'll start to understand the power of inserting simply something new.